Most people see a painting. My wife Ilse and I remember the exact moment we nearly lost everything to a short-tempered giant. I'm Joe Marie, a wildlife artist from Zululand, South Africa. It started like any other camping trip in Mkuzi Game Reserve in Zululand. Quiet, peaceful, warm coffee in our hands as we left camp, driving slowly, just enjoying the daybreak. Then, totally unexpected, out of the thick bush, en route to Nsumupan, he appeared. A solitary black rhino, notoriously volatile. He didn't just look nervous, he looked angry. The air turned completely still. You could feel the pure danger vibrating off him. One heartbeat, he was sizing us up. Next, he came at us with full, terrifying charge. I snapped just a couple of frantic reference photos. Then the engine roared. Dust exploded everywhere before we narrowly escaped his path. We both knew how close this was. Back in my Richards Bay studio, that adrenaline became my fuel. I spent hours locking that explosive intensity, that raw power, and that ancient beauty onto this canvas. This is the Horned Sentinel. It is my tribute to a magnificent, endangered force of nature that we cannot afford to lose.